It's Gardener Heather. So nice to see you guys. Today, we're going to use our eyes and we're going to go look around the garden and make some observations. We're going to see how big and small things are, what colors we see, and what shapes we see. Let's go take a look. We see a lot of this color in the garden. What color are these leaves? Yeah, they're green. Let's look at these leaves underneath. There's this little plant. Are these leaves the same color or a different color? Yeah, I think they're a little different. What color is it? Yeah, I would say they're purple. There's a little green in there, but they're purple. Let's keep looking at more colors. This plant has a few different colors. If we look at the leaves, what color are the leaves? Yeah, they're green. And what color is this? Yeah, I would say that this is red. Here's an interesting flower. What color are these flowers? Yeah, I would say it's a light purple. If we look at this flower over here, what colors do we see? If we look at the outside, what color is that? Yeah, I would say that's pink. And what about the inside here? What color is this? It's red. Here's a cool flower. What color are these flower petals? Yeah, they're yellow. And what about the middle here? What color is that? If you said brown or black, you're right. Let's look at these flowers. They have so many colors. If we take a closer look, let's see what colors there are. What's this outside color here? This lighter one. Yeah, it's yellow. What about this inner color here? Yeah, I would say that's red. Let's talk about shape. Shape is if something is round or pointy. Let's look at this plant. What shape is this plant? Look at it. Yeah, I would say it's very pointy and slender. What shape are these? I would say, if we take a closer look, these are spiky and pointy. What shape do you see here? I'd say this is very round and also very pointy. And what shapes do you see here? Take a closer look. I see some spiky shapes here. And I see a round shape in the middle, maybe like a circle. What about this plant? What's the shape of this plant? I would say this plant is very wavy and curved. It has curved and wavy leaves. And what shapes do we see here? I'd say we see little round shapes here, almost like little balls. Let's talk about size, how big or small something is. We can actually use our hand to compare the size of different things in the garden. Let's look at size. Let's see the size of this leaf. I'm going to use my hand and see how big or small it is. My hand can cover the whole thing. Wow, my thumb can cover the whole thing. If I put my thumb underneath, you can see it's about the size of my thumbnail. See? Let's look at the size of this leaf. Again, using my hand. Let's see. My hand can also cover this leaf. If I put my hand underneath, it looks like the leaf almost covers my hand. So this leaf is about the size of my hand. Let's look at these leaves. I wonder how big this leaf is. If I use my hand and I put it on top, oh my gosh, this leaf is bigger than my hand. If I put my hand underneath, I can't even really see my hand. That's a big leaf. Here are 3 leaves right next to each other. Can you tell me which leaf is the biggest leaf? Yeah, this leaf right here is the biggest leaf. And which one is the smallest leaf? You're right, it's this one, that little leaf right there. And do you know what color these leaves are? That's right, they're green. So today in the garden, we used our eyes. Good. And next time, we're going to use even more senses. Next time, we're going to use our nose, our mouth, our ears, and our hands. See you next time.